Hello, everyone. My name is Emma, and welcome to our podcast. Today, we have a special guest.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jack. I'm happy to be here.
In this podcast, we will talk about an important topic, daily routine. A daily routine is what we do every day, like waking up, eating, working, and sleeping. Today, we will learn many new words and phrases that will help improve our English. Let's begin. Jack, can you tell us about your daily routine?
Sure. I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower.
That sounds good. What do you do after that?
After my shower, I eat breakfast. I usually eat eggs and toast with a cup of coffee.
That's a healthy breakfast. What do you do next?
After breakfast, I go to work. I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Do you work from home or in an office?
I work in an office. I have meetings and work on my computer.
That sounds busy. What do you do after work?
After work, I go to the gym. I like to exercise for 1 hour.
Exercise is important. What do you do after the gym?
After the gym, I go home and take a shower. Then I eat dinner with my family.
That sounds nice. What do you usually eat for dinner?
I eat different foods, but I like rice with chicken or pasta.
That sounds delicious. What do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I relax. Sometimes I watch TV or read a book.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. because I wake up early.
That's a good routine. A daily routine helps us stay healthy and organized.
Yes, having a routine makes life easier.
Before we finish, let's talk about some important words we use today.
Good idea. First, we said routine. It means the things we do every day. For example, brushing my teeth is part of my daily routine.
Yes. Another word is breakfast. It is the first meal of the day. For example, I eat eggs for breakfast.
We also said exercise. It means to move your body to stay healthy. For example, I exercise at the gym.
And relax. It means to rest or feel calm. For example, I relax by watching TV.
Last word, bedtime. It is the time when we go to sleep. For example, my bedtime is at 10:30 p.m.
Great. We learned new words and talked about daily routines. Thank you, Jack.
Thank you, Emma. Let's keep a good daily routine.
Yes. See you next time.